Alright, so in this video I'm just going to give you a few tips on how to avoid getting your fingers cut off when you go skating in the ice. Now the first thing I want to add is a lot of people are concerned about this, but you don't often see it happen, but of course accidents can happen. But the amount of times people have asked me, oh my gosh, aren't you scared that someone's going to cut your fingers off? And not really, because there's ways we can avoid it. Now look, the first thing you have to know is when you have a set of rental skates that people are wearing, typically, and it's not always the case, so please don't try this, they're not very sharp. You're gonna struggle to cut your fingers off. For the most part, the most thing that's gonna happen is you'll get a nice big bruise if someone tries to skate over them. But that said, please don't try it because it can really, really hurt. I know because I have had someone skate into my fingers and they didn't get cut off, but I did say, oh, I didn't really like that very much. Please don't do it again. Okay, so one of the first things we can do to help avoid this horrendous accident from taking place is get some gloves and wear them. Not only help you from avoiding getting cold, but it's going to add a bit more protection. Another thing, if you fall over on the ice, typically you don't want to fall and just sit with your hands like this. You should get them out of the way quickly. You can have them here in a fist, but just have them here. They're protected like this. It's dangerous, don't do it. Even when you're getting up, you don't need to try and get up on the ice like this. It just adds a big chance of someone skating over them, right? So better off, you want to get up, you can just hook your feet in, roll up to your knees. Already you're there to defend anyone that wants to skate into you. You put one foot up. I still don't need my hands. I can make my base nice and stable like this. I can push up and then I'm okay. I didn't have to put my hands all over the ice. Now, of course, in some instances, you'll be losing your balance, and of course, you're going to want to put your fingers on the ice like this, but very quickly, you should try and move it into a fist position, because if someone skates into your fist, you'll just get a toe in your fist, a nice bruise, fingers, going to be perfectly fine. And for my third tip for this, contrary to what you saw me do at the beginning of the video, is don't get the blades from the rental shop or the hire skate locker and immediately go, is it sharp? And slice your hand open, because there is a chance that they've just been sharpened and it could slice your hand open. So it's the first thing I see a lot of people do. Oh, blades. Oh, I've cut myself, first aid. Don't be that person. Just avoid it straight away. So as a quick summary, 1, the blades aren't as sharp as you think. They're not sharp like a butcher's knife or something like this. But that said, don't test them out with your own hands anyway. Keep your hands away from it. 2, wear some gloves. 3, if you fall down, don't spread your fingers all across the ice. You can bring them in a fist, put them in your lap, protect yourself, however you like. Just don't go like this. Don't try and pick up the ice and eat it or any other weird things people love to do. Just stay nice and safe and enjoy your skate.